The OnePlus Open, a premium Android foldable smartphone, is proving that even without a direct successor, it remains relevant with consistent software updates. While OnePlus is yet to release a second-generation foldable, the company is keeping its first-gen foldable alive with new software enhancements and security patches. The latest OxygenOS 15.0.0.610 update brings an improved Hasselblad camera UI tweak, allowing users to personalize their photos and videos with customizable watermarks instead of the standard camera stats and Hasselblad branding. Not only does this give users more creative control, but also enhances the overall camera experience. The update also bumps up the security patch level to February 2025, ensuring better protection against cyber threats. While this update might not be huge in terms of new features, it demonstrates OnePlus' commitment to keeping the Open optimized and secure. The rollout started in India and Europe, and reports suggest that North American users are also beginning to receive the update, even though OnePlus has yet to make an official announcement. While the OnePlus Open may now be 2 generations behind flagship models like the OnePlus 13, which features a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, it still holds its ground as a strong alternative to other foldable smartphones like the Google Pixel Fold and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Despite its aging hardware, the OnePlus Open continues to be one of the best foldable options in many markets worldwide and still retains its premium pricing of $1,699.99 on Amazon, although savvy buyers might find occasional discounts. The device also boasts top-tier specs, including a brilliant 2K LTPO3 FlexiFluid AMOLED display, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and even an IR blaster. While OnePlus has chosen not to launch a new Open Series foldable for 2025, regular software support like this ensures that existing users can keep their devices up to date while waiting to see if OnePlus will bring back the Open line in the future. Have you received the update yet? If so, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the latest tech news and updates right here on TechVerse.